News Lady Bearcats put a full court press on breast cancer today. Fox 40's Austin Tanner has more. Austin?
Yes, Faith, the team participated in Play for K, an annual effort for coaches and student athletes nationwide to raise funds for women's cancer research. Coach Semino presented a check for the K Yao Cancer Fund before the game, and women over 40 were invited to the Lord's Mission in Motion RV for a screening appointment after the game. A cancer survivor tells us why she was very appreciative of the event.
I thank Coach Semino and her wonderful mother she's a survivor 2 times around, and it's just very inspirational to other people going through it or facing it. And it's a scary thing, but with faith, and you know that you trust and believe in your providers, you get through what you have to get through.
It's really important to me and a lot of people in our community. As you could see at halftime, we had so many people affected by cancer, and I think that everybody in the community is affected one way or another. So I think it's important to just, kind of attack it as a team together and do what we can to spread awareness and to raise money.
The K Yao Cancer Fund was started in 2007 and was named after the head coach at North Carolina State, who passed away in 2009 after facing her 3rd bout with breast cancer. Back to you, Faith.